Okay, as you can see here, I've disconnected the negative terminal from the negative terminal of the battery. I have attached the clamps for my battery charger, and this is the Stanley 15 amp battery charger with a 40 amp engine start. You can currently see here that it has similar readings of what the battery checker had, and that it's about 82% charged, and currently has 4.7 amps going into the battery. I have, as indicated, disconnected the battery, but to keep the settings, I'll show you what I do. I have this adapter here plugged into the OBD2 port. Cable comes up in here. It's an EC5 connector that I've changed to the EC3, and I'm using an old LiPo battery that I used for some hobby flights with my drones. And it's just currently at a storage voltage, 3.8 volts per cell, and it's clearly enough to maintain the memory for the car. So I thought I'd share that with everybody. Thanks.